Hey guys, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Piccolayt Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be an awesome one. I am super excited to finally be filming this. I've been meaning to make this video for a long time, and I'm actually glad that I waited though, because I found these guys here. This video is going to be all about the Dollar Tree planters that I have been collecting for a while now, but these are the most recent ones, and I'm so excited that I found them. I found the blue truck, the RV, the hitch, and then the red truck. I'm going to take them out and show them to you. They are super, super adorable. And then we will get into the other planters. This is going to be video one of a series of a couple of videos that I'm doing with these planters. I have a really special project that I've been working on, and it's going to all come together very, very soon, but we're just going to start with showing you the planters that I actually have for the project, and then the next one will be me using the planters. So, all right, let's open these guys up. Okay, so here they are out of the boxes. They're so adorable. The red truck, the blue truck, and I love the detailing. The RV right here, it's super cute. And then the camper. And they all have this little piece so they can be connected. So the camper actually has this, but the rest of them have the hole so that they can be connected. So very cool, very excited to have those. Let me show you the other ones that I have. Okay, so that was it for the newest planters that I just most recently found. Now we're going to go through some of the planters that I have been collecting since, I believe it was this spring. I don't think they had any of them out last year that I got, but definitely starting this spring, and some more recently, like this guy right here. So these are the aquatic ones. I have Cecil the crab, Otto the octopus. I actually have two of him because Jamie Leisman sent me one of him, and Gianni immediately wanted to put a plant in it. So we did put a plant in that one, and we purchased another one for this particular project. Then I have Gwendolyn the whale, and I have the narwhal Norris. So now let me show you what these guys look like out of the package. Okay, so there's Cecil. He is so cute, the crab. He's just really, really adorable. And next is Norris the narwhal. So cute. So adorable. Otto the octopus. And then this one here is Gwendolyn the whale. So they're really, really cute planters. Lots of detail. And some of them have like a little bit of a smaller hole for a plant, but then some of them I have are actually a little wider. So it's cool. So you can put different size pots, or even put them in without pots if you wanted to just put them directly in with some other mediums, so that way the plants, the roots will be okay. But more on that in the next video. But yeah, so I got these guys. Now let me show you the next group that I have. Okay, next group of aquatic friends. I got Skylar the seal, Winston the walrus, Penny the penguin, and Tilly the turtle. So cute. So let me show you what these guys look like. Okay, Tilly is absolutely adorable. And see, this is what I mean about some of them have like a bigger opening. Like this one here, you could even put something like this in easily, and actually have a pot, or even one just a drop wider as well. So I think that's pretty cool. That's Tilly. Now we got Penny the penguin. She already has some dirt in her because I was putting the pots in there to try to see what would fit. This is Winston the walrus. And then last but not least for these guys, Skylar the seal. So cute. So I have Tyson the triceratops, Jay the jaguar, and Sammy the sloth. Okay, let's get a better look at these guys. Tyson's super cool. I love the purple color. He's so adorable. And his horns. Jay the jaguar is actually really gorgeous too. And then of course, I love the sloth. I love sloths. So Sammy the sloth is super cute as well. Maggie the moose, Roscoe the raccoon, and Flora the fox. So here's Maggie, the moose, Roscoe the raccoon, and last but definitely not least, Flora the fox. Okay, and last but certainly not least are these two planters. I have Paul the polar bear and Emmy the elephant. They're so cute. Now let me take them out of the boxes and show you what they look like. Okay, the polar bear, he's really cute. I love his pink ears and white. And then Emmy the elephant is gray, also with pink ears. Very cute. Okay guys, so this is the whole collection of what I have. So this will be the end of the first video for this series. The next one I'm going to actually tell you exactly what project it is that I'm working on and plant a few of these guys and set them up. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you know next time I upload and every time I upload. And have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.